So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-lock ng screen or mag-lock screen habang nagpi-play tayo sa ating YouTube. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if once learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung YouTube app na gagamitin natin. So open lang natin yung ating YouTube. And then dito guys, pili lang kayo ng isang video na gusto nyong mag-lock screen. So for example, is itong music playlist na to. Open nyo lang yung video or yung gusto nyong i-play sa YouTube para mag-lock screen. And then after nyan guys, tap lang natin yung screen and tap natin dito yung settings button sa upper right corner. And then may lalabas na option guys. So kung dito mapapansin nyo, may lalabas dyan na lock screen. So tatap nyo lang yung lock screen. And automatic yan guys, ganito na yung magiging itsura niya. And hindi na siya mapipindot or hindi na siya matatanggal dyan kasi nga naka-lock screen. So kung gusto nyo namang matanggal yung lock screen niya, tap to unlock. Itatap nyo lang yon. And ayan guys, naka-unlock na. And pwede nyo na ulit ibalik dun sa ating YouTube playlist. So ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-lock screen habang nagpe-play ng YouTube sa ating cellphone. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.